So this is off a boat that came in that there is oil in the bilge, and we had seen it before, and this sealant here was leaking, and so we put another yoke and seal in there, and pressure tested before. Came back with the oil in the bilge again. So the pressure is 7.8. It's been holding there since before I went to eat lunch. Here's a boat it came off of. Bellows are dry, and so we didn't see any evidence of any oil in there. They said they have been adding oil to the bottle, and the bottle's to the add mark, but it's still got some in there. But there's oil down underneath the engine, and the oil line that goes from the bottle's not leaking because you don't see any oil there. The line doesn't seem to be leaking. You could see it all the way to the back, and we've inspected and don't see any leakage from the oil bottle. So it's hard to believe that it is leaking from there. And I think we still have the now we drained it out. What came out of the bilge was black oil. Looks more like motor oil than it does drive oil. But as you can see, it's still 7.8. So we have no reason to believe that the drive's leaking at all, or else it wouldn't be holding pressure.